Welcome to Mountain Home Rookies. Today we're going to do something a little bit different while waiting for the snow. We're going to see what to do with, and when you have something that looks like that. So you can see there's a bit of rust on there, so let's take a look and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to do is rinse it out a bit. Clean it up with some water. Kind of you can see how it's all coming off there. You can see it get nice and clean right there. Looks a little bit different. Okay, once you have it cleaned out, just gotta let it dry. Once it's dry, there's two products I'm gonna be looking at. A little bit of rust treatment, and then make sure you have the right paint color for your vehicle. Once that's done, don't forget your clear coat. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna protect the car a little bit, put a little plastic down, and take some spray. This is a little part, so I'm gonna use a brush to apply it. So spray a little bit on the brush, and then just like this. Just make sure you get all. Now this one's going to dry black, so keep that in mind. Make sure you do have your protectant there, and just make sure you get all the rust, just like that. Let it cure for a few hours, make sure it's dry, and then you're ready to paint. And once it dries, you can see it's nice and red again. Thanks for watching our how-to today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully it was informative. Good luck if you're taking care of your vehicle. Until next time, see ya.